I did it. I have bought an authentic Louis Vuitton Zippy wallet, and I want to share it with you guys and unbox it. I can't wait to get started using it. All right, here's my Louis. All right, folks. Here we have them. My very own authentic Louis Vuitton Zippy wallet. It's just gorgeous. Gorgeous. And I'm so excited. Even more, you can tell there's just one piece of leather that they used here. Crossing comes across and is upside down on the back. I've been kind of eyeing something from there for a while, and there we go. I'm just in love.